Hello, today I'm going to sew Zippo lighter pouch.
I'm going to form the front part of the pouch. First we need to make a blank. I took a piece of plywood. It's a bit thinner than the lighter. I put the lighter on the plywood and draw the outline. Then draw the second line, leaving about 2 millimeters. We need this margin to cover the lighter with leather and press it tightly. Now I need to cut out this piece. I drilled 2 holes in each corner. There is enough space for jigsaw blade to go through. Remove the bridge between holes by drill. I use jigsaw to cut out the middle part. Take a buster file to make surface smooth. Make a bevel on one side. Okay, we did it. We need a vegetable tanned leather. I cut a piece without grit. It is easier to cut extra leather than to seek a way out later. Soak the leather in warm water. Leave it for 10 minutes. Crumple the leather from time to time. I cover the lighter with plastic wrap. Put in on a plank. Cover with a piece of leather. Place our blank on top. Press. Congratulations! We have made a hamburger! Wait till the leather is dry. Yesterday I left the leather to dry. It's time to have a look. This will be the front part. Now I'm going to make other parts of the pouch. Leave marks by divider. Then use a ruler and washable ink pen to draw the cutting line. Cut this part. It's a special tool to make angles rounded. Let's make the back part. From time to time I check myself and measure parts to avoid mistakes. Cut out. I make a groove for seam. Check the parts again. Mark a place for holster button by awl. Pierce through the upper layer and slightly puncture the lower. Scrape some leather from the inner surface around the hole. It's a place for patch which will prevent the lighter from scratches by screw. Make a half-rounded curve to remove the lighter easily. Punch holes for seam in both parts. Now I make a belt loop. You can always use your belt as a pattern. Punch holes for seam. I make a hole for button with round punch. It may cut by knife about 6 or 7 millimeters long. Make a bevel on the outer side of each part. It is time to paint. It's alcohol-based paint in beautiful mahogany color. I like it so much. This time I decide to paint inside. Let the paint dry. I make a protective patch. I cut rectangle and make it thinner. Looks not so good, but it works. I prepare the place for patch. Work with sandpaper. Screw in a button. I apply some glue on each surface. Use a hammer. I clamp parts with pony. Start from belt loop. I covered same method in my previous videos. When finished, I applied sun acrylate glue on thread ends in holes. Okay, now we are going to sew our parts together. Do not forget to make holes wider by all. This time I took thread 6 times longer than seam. It's more than enough. Next time I'm going to measure thread 4 times longer. Wait for the video where I'm loud about thread economy. Try to remember which needle you pierce first and be careful with loop's order. It will show at your seam. We have finally sewn a pouch. I'm going to work with edge. I apply liquid on it. Dry and polish the edge. Here you are. I can take out lighter and close the pouch using just one hand. I applied nice foot oil for finish. I like this granular surface. I can't imagine how beautiful it will look after some wearing. By the way, it is my first pouch for Zippo.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. Bye.